is the feed through. Okay, today we are going to test your boring machine now. And your power is, first we check this, the power is 415 here, and here maybe 480, no problem. This is the transfer, you see. After the transfer, the wire coming to this wire connection by through here. Okay, I close this.等一下，我稍等一下。This is knife shaft. You see, this is knife shaft. This is your block. Now we need to down, maybe not adjust the table up the table to the core of the block. Maybe like here. So we need to up the table. Now, how to up the table? Here I have the three position. For this position, the table moving. This position is the neutral. This position, yeah, 这打不下来的。This position is the table up and down. Okay. Now we need to switch to this position. You see, they have a switch like this. Okay. Now make must this one in this gear. 来，怎么去操作一下？开启一下。
开转。
转，往前。
伸。
往前吧，伸还是前？转不了的，挂上去，挂这可以了 ，OK。这里。Now we are in this position now. Table up and down position now. 现在是上升了吗？啊，挂到这个档之后，马上按什么 ？Up。这个是停掉这个 switch off。knife stop. This is up. 打不起来是不是？一定要按照这里是不是？打到这里 ，switch to here, then table up。有在上升吗 ？Now the table is up by this motor, but it's very slow. You see the moving of the table. Let me put it here. You see the table is moving. You see, it's very slow by this motor. We check here. You see, have screw. Okay. So now the table is up. The table is up, so the block is up. The knife. Just we must check. The knife must in the center of the block. Then we stop the table moving. This is the motor. It's very slow. So it's up. 可以了吧 Now we think the knife now in the center of the block. Now we stop the machine. How to stop the table up? Stop maybe like this. Okay, switch this button. Okay, then the table is stop moving up. Now we need to check if the knife in the center of the block. So we need to move the table. 现在调 OK， 等一下我看一下，要调到这个下来是不是 ？Now， we need to move the table. This switch, this position is moving the table. We check， 好像还要动一下哎。按了没？可以了，可以。看 OK，now the table is moving. Stop. Now we check the block. The knife is not in the center of the block, so we need a little more high for the block. Now we switch here again. Table down and up. Let table down and up. We must check here. 现在怎么要动起来吗 ？No, we cannot because now it must move. Okay. Stop. Yeah. OK. Yeah.
没挂正。
再转一下。没挂正。可以了 OK. Now it's perfect now. It's a little difficult. Okay. Now the table is up. We check maybe here is the center of the block. 是不是那个地方？哈。We check. The first time is difficult maybe, but usually your block is the same size. When the first time the table is fixed, the head of the block. Okay, I think it's okay now. Stop. 是不是中间 ？Now we maybe take down of the block to see where is the center of the block. 放地下拿个笔画一下，拿个笔。We have a pen to mark. 这个大概在哪个地方？在这个地方是不是？给你看一下，是不是在哪里？差不多。这打个叉。啊。Okay, this is the core of the block. We think. Let me check. Yes, this is it. Okay. Now put the block on the table now. 哦，小心点，慢点。三步搞到那个上面了。Now we check maybe a little more down. I think the knife lead down, so the table is up a little. 等一下，我再按那个。Now we already in this position, the table up and down position. Now we just need to this one. 是不是 down？ 哪一个要上升吗？上升 we up. But cannot, you see. We have to switch this. 好像是要按这个是不是 ？Switch. Okay. The up. Okay. I think okay now. Okay. And now it's in the center of the block now, I think. Okay. So 现在我们怎么搞？等一下。Now we think now the knife is in the center of the block. Now we start the machine now. First, let me check. We just we switch the position. 挂到哪个档？
挂到最下面那个档啊。
挂到最下面的啊。Table move. Now we need to switch to table moving. Move 挂不上去。推呀。哇，Okay. Now table move now. In position now. 等一下，再给我看一下啊。再怎么搞？然后 switch this switch. No. Switch here. Automatic. We cut automatic. Switch here means single trip. That's to say one single trip in automatically. Okay, start. Now it's 这个是还要按一下吗 ？Single trip. At the same time, same trip. We must also press table moving, right? This one. Also, when you press this button, the knife is turning. You no need to press this one. Only press. Let me show you again. Now stop the knife. You see, I switch to here. Single trip. What single trip mean? When you press this one, the knife will be turned. You see, knife is on now. You see, it starts knife. So now we press the table moving. Table moving. Now, 展扶要不要扶一下 ？Now it's moving. You see， 小郭扶一下，可能不用啊。Now the block. You see, the foam. 不要动它。You see, we take the. 那现在不是自动吗？打个单循环的嘞。This single trip, must single trip. It's waiting for some second. It will return back, but now why it's not return back? 为什么现在不回去嘞？哈，table moving back with by manual. Just hold on. You see your block is small size. So when the block move to here, you see. Okay, just hold on. Let me introduce. Now here I have a switch, limited switch. This is behind the limited switch. This brake touches the limited switch, so the table is stop. Also here I have a limited switch in front. So that brake moving to here, the table moving to here, touch this switch. The table also stop. You see, that's one in the front, that's one in the back one. Two limited switch. Now we check. We can now we take the block off. 先把棉拿下来可以。现在把棉拿下来。You see, it's very perfect. You see, we also can adjust the switch, moving back more, I think. 快点，往后面推了，可以推。So start， 再走啊，再走不得了，哈。走得了，我走得米。不走不了，把它拿出来，要么拿出来放到那里。Now we adjust the limited switch to another position. So the table can move distance more. Okay, just back 后退是不是 ？Back 后退就行了。Now back, you see the limited switch touch here, stop. It's stop. So the knife is come out of the block. Now you see the knife is out now. Okay, take off. Okay, perfect. You see, perfect. OK， 李主任，你把那个棍拿下来，把这个冲上去，我再拍视频。没关系，那个手没关系，搞了我再拍都得快点。Now we cut your block. We put the shaft. 不要把孔插坏了，插坏了的话就，不能是歪着插，要直着插。Now, you see, now we 要转一下一边，不要翘，直接插进去，等下把棉插坏了就不好了。Okay, let me check. No, it's move out now. 动了，快点！ Now we think now nearly in the center of the shaft. Okay, I think now 可以了。好，放到那个上面。哇！ 这个地方差不多。
把它给卡进去，开始卡。
啊，这边的，还来电。好，
可以了，压住。好，先把电提过来。Now we move the part to the pinning machine now, because we through the transfer different voltage. Now we stop the machine. This emerging stop. Okay.